Hey, what's up guys? I just wanted to hop on right quick and show you how I'm going to be attempting to make this aloe vera hair mask for the very first time. So I've got my plant, which I've had for about a year. I have already cut 2 leaves from this plant previously, but I haven't used it for my hair yet. So I'm super excited to do that. And I'm not really concerned about cutting it because new leaves form all the time right from the center, and it heals, for lack of a better word, heals really well. You almost can't even tell where the old leaves used to be. I'm also using the Argan Oil Hair Serum from Pattern Beauty. I'm going to put a couple of drops of that in there, as well as just some organic virgin coconut oil that I got right from off Amazon. So I've got my scissors, and I don't know if I'm doing this properly, but like I said, the plant hasn't died yet, so and new leaves keep forming, so I guess I'm doing something right. And so I'm going to turn it around to the side so you can see where I'm cutting. It's so long. I'm going to be cutting this long leaf off, so I usually just go right here as close as I can to the center and just give it a chop. So there it is. And then we're gonna cut this open. Okay, so before we cut the aloe plant open, I'm just gonna put a couple of spoonfuls of the coconut oil into my little blender cup. And I don't know if this is the right amount, but I'm just kind of basing it off my hair and how much I need for this one time. I'm gonna put 2 big spoonfuls, like so. And then I'm also, again, just using the oil. I'm gonna pump a couple pumps of the oil in. Now I'm gonna go ahead and split open the aloe leaf that I cut. I'm just gonna go right down the middle. And if you didn't already know, aloe contains pretty much all of the vitamins, A through E. It's full of antioxidants, and it's gonna make the hair super shiny and moisturized and strong. And because I have to wash my hair after I put this in, I just simply used a co-wash today, Mono's Hair co-wash. That way I wasn't stripping my hair too much. Then we'll do the mask, and then I'll use the Curl Hydrator shampoo after the mask. Okay, so we were able to get a good amount of aloe out, but if we wanted to, we could take another leaf and just add some more in there. But I think we did pretty well, so I'm just gonna go ahead and blend this up now. Blending helped to get it more to like a liquid consistency and to really merge all the oils with the aloe vera. And now I'm going to apply this directly to my hair. I'm going to put on my cap and keep this on for about 30 minutes. So I like how it smells because I like the smell of coconut oil, but if you didn't like the smell, you could always just add a couple drops of your favorite essential oil, like some lemon or citrus, to freshen up the scent if you don't like how it smells. And I just want to show you the consistency is like kind of slimy.